Aloha, and welcome to day 4 of Holiday Harmony. Today we're focusing on sensory protection, one of the most important supports for AuDHD and neurodivergent adults during the holidays. Holiday environments are often louder, brighter, busier, and less predictable. So sensory overload isn't a personal weakness. It's a nervous system response. And today is learning about how to reduce sensory strain before it turns into shutdown, meltdown, or exhaustion. Now, the holiday season increases sensory input in nearly every direction. Now, more noise, more people, stronger smells, brighter lights, tighter schedules, and less downtime is usually why sensory overload happens. For neurodivergent adults, sensory input is processed more intensely. When multiple senses are overwhelmed at once, the nervous system moves into survival mode. Sensory overload isn't something to push through. It's a signal that support is needed. Now, there are signs of sensory overload, and they don't always look dramatic, but common signs include irritability or sudden anger, brain fog or difficulty speaking, urge to escape or shut down, fatigue or heaviness in the body, increased anxiety or tearfulness for no reason at all. Now, recognizing these signs early allows you to respond before overwhelm escalates. So, we need to protect our sensory needs ahead of time. And sensory protection works best when it's proactive, not reactive. Meeting sensory needs early helps conserve energy and emotional capacity. Now, that might include bringing earplugs or noise-reducing headphones, wearing comfortable, familiar clothing, packing grounding or comfort items, limiting how long you stay in stimulating environments, and choosing where you sit or stand. You can also choose to bring things like sunglasses, especially if there's a lot of flashing lights or bright lights around this time of year. There's a lot of that. So, your sensory support kit is a small collection of items that help your nervous system regulate. Your kit might include earplugs or headphones, again, sunglasses or a hat, fidget or grounding object, a scent you find calming, snacks, or water. You don't need permission to bring things that support you. Just pack them up and bring them with you. Sensory boundaries matter, and they are just as valid as emotional boundaries. You are allowed to step outside for quiet, lower lights when possible, take breaks from conversation, sit in low traffic areas, and decline environments that overwhelm you. You could even decline conversations that overwhelm you. Protecting your sensory system helps prevent burnout and emotional overload. One of the most powerful sensory protection strategies, again, is leaving early. Leave before you're overwhelmed. You don't need to wait until you're completely overwhelmed to exit. Leaving while you still feel regulated is a form of self-care. So planning your exit ahead of time makes this choice easier and less stressful. Aftercare is sensory protection. Now, aftercare might include quiet time, low stimulation activities, comfortable clothing, familiar sounds or silence, rest or sleep. This is usually after you get home, so your recovery helps your nervous system reset and prepares you for what comes next. Now, the action step today is to complete your sensory protection worksheet in your workbook that's located at the download link in the description and pinned comment. It will help you identify what overwhelms you, what supports you, and how to protect your nervous system this season. And next, we're going to be talking about day 5. Now, next in day 5, we'll focus on micro joy and neurodiverse gratitude that feels real, not forced. And I mention neurodiverse gratitude because we might see gratitude in a different way. We don't use those little, so many cutesy little quotes for gratitude. Today, we might just be grateful that it was a quiet day. We might be grateful that we didn't have to get up and go anywhere. So, figure out what your gratitude is and don't just fall into the regular crowd, but be genuine. You deserve comfort, safety, and ease. And I'll see you in day 5. Aloha.